Hello friends, Miami CO Indiana here, just showing you some of the scenes from the snowstorm from February 15th, 2021. This scene is repeated across many states as this storm really hit a lot of area. The sun is shining bright today, so the next morning it's not real warm, but it's 15 degrees. With the sun and no wind, it's really not that uncomfortable out. You can see that I have my sidewalk cleared. Yes, that was done by hand, no snowblower. The official snowfall in my city was 12.4 inches. The storm lasted approximately 12 hours, so pretty good clip of about 1 inch per hour average snowfall. If you don't know this, my mother always told me, never eat yellow snow. Well, I think that tree is going to be well watered. So yeah, I just wanted to give you a glimpse of what's happening in my area. It's really not that bad out today. Show you the road conditions are definitely improving. There's definitely snow still on them, but you start to see where the sun hits. We do have melting taking place. So hope everyone's safe in the storm. I know a lot of the southern people that were hit with this storm had just unusually unbearable cold, frozen pipes, power outages, and all kinds of issues. Hopefully that's remedied soon. So just a quick video. Just wanted to show you the dig out from the snowstorm in February 2021. I hope everyone's having a great day. Thanks for watching, everyone. See you next time. So long.